This is how you save your search. You start by going to the advanced search. Make sure you choose the right type of property and a specific subtype if it's important. For this search, I'm going to use zip code, and maybe there's 2 zip codes I'm interested in seeing homes for. And popular Northeast Tallahassee zip codes 32312 and 32309 will make some good examples. You want to choose a minimum and a maximum price range. The narrower you make this price range, the more the homes are likely to fit your needs. If you want to limit it by bedrooms or bathrooms, you can do that. And you could use square footage or the age of the home. But in this example, I want to add a pool. I want to just know about pool homes in my price range. And you can see that leaves us with 6 different homes that have everything I was looking for. And I wanted to always sort it by the newest on the market. That'll tell me the newest listings that are up there. You simply hit either list results or map results. I'm going to hit list results, and it shows me 6 homes that are available. Then I'll go and save the search. I need to give it a search name, and I typically like to know the larger parameters that have narrowed the search. So I'm going to save this one as 32312 and 32309, and then my price range of 275 to 300. Then how frequently do you want to know? Well, if you want to know when they hit the market, you hit immediately, and within 15 minutes of a home hitting the market, you're going to know about it.